Hey guys, so let's quickly compare the top specs of the Ulefone Pad 4 Ultra with the Unihertz tank pad. This is just a specs comparison video. It's not enough to conclude if one rugged device is better than the other. Before moving on to the comparison, I'd like to share the price of both rugged tablets to you. So the Pad 4 Ultra costs about $350 to $400, while the tank pad cost $799. So the tank pad is much more expensive than the Pad 4 Ultra. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates and the best rugged phone deals. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go guys, the tank pad versus the Pad 4 Ultra. Which of the two rugged tablets do you think is equipped with the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.